next step for the Evo is going to be installing the catch can, which goes right here in this big empty space, which we have in this beautiful box right here. Alright guys, and here it is, the new catch can for the Evo 8, made by BeanFab on Instagram. It's pretty nice actually, the welds look pretty spot on. It has 5 ports in the back, as you can see right here. I'm gonna get a close look on that. Looks really good actually. Very shiny. Don't want to actually install it because it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It's actually super simple. Here you go. Alrighty, so we are going to start with the top. Get this baby lined up.
So that it's draining. When you open the drain, it'll drain out.
I need a short time. Do you have a wrench? Is it probably just cold?
I have it right here, the part she needs.
It's probably just cold.
Here you go.
Thanks, I found one though. Okay.
Solid?
Solid. It is solid. All the wires are back on. It's very close to your sensor right here, but it is good. Now we just have to do all your hoses. So we're gonna go cut the hoses. We already have the hoses. Our dog is cold apparently. He's laying on my jacket. Should probably get him like a bed or something for the garage. Now it is hose time, guys. We've got the hoses, we already have all the fittings. We just have to cut the hoses to length and route them from here to here, and here to there, and here to there, and then the small ones to where they go. But you don't even have the...
I don't have the small ones right now.
You don't even have the small ones right now.
I only need those 3 at the moment.
So we just need the top ones, heard that. So let's get to measuring and we'll get this baby done because we got a tune tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so we have one hose done right now hooked up to the catch can. It goes right here into the back. We have it coming out of a 90 and it's coming all the way back into a 90 right into the front of the catch can. Now we are playing around with these front two. We're not sure how we wanted to route them at first. We have a bunch of these that are, what is this, 45? Mm-hmm. So we got 45s and 90s, but the more we play around with it, the more we're like, we really want these to be straights. So we're probably gonna end up right now routing them a little funky to give us extra hoses. So you can see this is kind of how we're gonna route it. We're gonna give it a little extra bend here and go into the catch can that way. So when we do get our straights here, we're able to go straight, kind of like straight and down into the catch can. So we're just kind of routing it right now to give us a little extra slack. So we're gonna finish up and do the rest of the fittings. So we'll go ahead and touch that up and I'll be back in a minute.
No. Because of the threads. Okay.
This was a pain in the butt. Oh crap, we gotta cut the zip tie. Final step of the process of this is going to be cutting the zip tie. Boom. Alright, so we have got the catch can installed. Yay. Now tomorrow We are hoping to be able to get a street tune sent to us so that we are able to run, I believe he said 25 pounds of boost. So be on the lookout for that video. It should be coming up real soon, guys. This Evo is looking amazing. I am super excited. I know the Ginger is excited. We have got to get his white Evo back up and running because that is going to be a killer car on the track. But this is going to be a fun daily. Once this motor gets done, we're going to install this whole setup into the white Evo. And then we have a whole nother block that we have to build all the way over there, as you can see. Garage is a mess again, no judging. We are not the best at keeping things clean, but we love what we do. So, thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, guys.